What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup just came in the mail today, and it came pretty fast. These released Saturday, and I got them today, Monday. Straight from Nike. As you see, got the Just Do It tape. Long box. This is the only thing I didn't like. They didn't tape this piece in the back so you can see what's inside the box. Luckily, it made it to me. So, without further ado, go ahead and get into unboxing. Go ahead, slice these. Usually I speed up the process and do all this, but I didn't. As always, 11s usually come out around Christmas, so they're known as the Christmas J's, Christmas Jordans. So flip this box over, get into it. The Jordan XI Jubilees. Got a size 11. It's your tag, your barcode, description of the shoe, the color, QR code, price tag. It has the ring for the pull out as always. Black and gray box. Black and gray all the way around. On top, black and gray with a gray jump band. Bottom, you got your Nike information right here. So get to this, slide that back. You open this. Well, first of all, there's usually a latch. Oh, that's new. So usually at the bottom right here, there's a little latch that sticks in the hole like that you would pull out before you come here and put your finger in and pull this out. Now they switched it up. You see right here on the side, pulls out, folds back. That's pretty cool. Do that again. Go to the side. It opens up. Then you just fold back. And then of course you see the gray box. The gray box just flips over. It falls in place. It just flips over like that. Okay. And these of course are the 25th anniversary of the 11s. So on the shoe paper, it has Jordan logos with different years: 2020, 1995, 2020, 1995. So from 1995 to 2020, that's 25 years of the 11s. That's the anniversary. So that being said, open these up, get into the first look. Pull these over here. All right, now check for defects or anything like that. First of all, I like the all black look because it goes with anything. I just didn't like the fact that I guess this is silver, that they put Jordan on the eyelids where you tie your shoes. I didn't like that. I like the silver Jumpman in the background. Perfect. So we check these for defects or anything like that. It always comes with these little nipples on the midsole. That's another way how you tell if your shoes are authentic or not. Sometimes they won't have those. And we have a little stain right here, which can probably just be scraped off. So far so good on the glue. Not too bad. Not too bad with the glue. Check out the back. Again, we got that nipple like always. It's kind of a way to check if your shoes are real, because most of them come with that. Check that carbon fiber. Pretty good. Go back to the front. We got a little bitty piece right there. Nothing major. Another thing I don't like about the newer 11s, look at that patent leather, how high it is. I don't like that it's so high. So check this midsole. I mean the sole, my bad. Pretty good. It's not a clear, it's like a cloud white, which is not bad. It don't throw off the shoe, but I would have went with the all the way clear. So we check this toe box. Pretty good. Swing around, check the inside. Of course, you got see all those nipples on there. That high patent leather, that carbon fiber. Pretty good. I haven't seen any mistakes. Pretty good quality, I can say. Yeah, that's clear. Clear on this shoe. Get the back. Check the inside, the pad, the sole, my bad. Pretty good. Turn it back to the front. Close up look. Again, these are the 25th anniversary Jordan XI Jubilees. They just released Saturday. First hand look. Pretty good. Good quality. Not many mistakes. Little to no mistakes, I say. And back. Boy, yeah. Jordan XI Jubilees, 25th anniversary of the 11s, the Christmas J's. First hand look, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.